Rachel, thank you very much. We are gearing up for a more normal summer thanks to COVID vaccinations. Connecticut's numbers very, very low. Take a look here. Connecticut's positivity rate low, under 1% at 0.55% today. One more patient hospitalized since yesterday, and sadly, 2 new deaths occurred here, but that is much lower than what we're seeing at the height of the pandemic. Health leaders do continue to say, though, we cannot let our guard down. We need to remain vigilant. So we're going to talk about it right now with Connecticut's acting commissioner of the Department of Public Health, Dr. Diedre Gifford, joining us this afternoon. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Well, thank you for doing the news at 4. So is this where Connecticut needs to be right now? Tell us what the vaccination rate is here in Connecticut.
Well, Connecticut continues to excel in our vaccine program. We have 98% of our individuals over the age of 65 have received at least 1 dose. That's one of the main reasons why the number of deaths that you cited has gone down by so much, because sadly, as we know, the majority of deaths in Connecticut and around the country were in people over the age of 65. So that's terrific. We have exceeded President Biden's goal of having 70% of adults over the age of 18 vaccinated by the 4th of July. We are already at 78% of people over the age of 18 vaccinated in Connecticut. And 66% of our total population has received at least 1 dose of the vaccine. But we still have more work to do, particularly in younger individuals. We're down below 60% in people ages 17 to 35. So that's where we're really focusing our efforts now.
We have this Delta variant that you're hearing a lot about in the news, becoming more and more prevalent. The CDC saying it accounts for some 10% of new cases across the U.S., more transmissible, more severe disease. What's Connecticut looking at when it comes to the Delta variant?
That's right. That is probably the major concern in the United States right now. We're starting to see possibly some actual increases in COVID in some of the states that have lower vaccination rates. United Kingdom, where the Delta variant is the predominant variant, they're starting to see some increases in cases and hospitalizations in areas with low vaccination rates. So that's why we've had 35 cases that we know of in Connecticut that have been of the Delta variant. We don't sequence every single positive, but we know we've had at least 35. So for us, the main thing is, if you're not vaccinated, to protect yourself and others from this Delta variant. Getting vaccinated with the current vaccines is the best strategy.
All right, Dr. Diedre Gifford, thank you very much for your time. Interesting that we have 35 cases of that Delta variant. I know you'll be watching it closely. Please keep us updated, and thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you.